Hi and welcome to part 9 of Project X-Wing. This is me just taking the spare model down to my mate's house and we literally just chucked it up on the ceiling the night we were going to play pool. So it's a bit messy. My mate's tidied it up since. Those cables are going to get cut when it goes up for real. This is, the room temperature is about 22 degrees there and it's like 49, isn't it, degrees inside the model. You saw the light there a minute ago we used to play under is just like 3 spotlights, and this is just 100 times better than what we used to use. It's whiter, it's brighter, there's more light in the room than what there was with this, the GU10 spotlight type things. We're still going to end up with a load of cables going into this, more cables than this actually when the other model goes in, because it's got loads of LEDs and does lots of other stuff inside it to make it more fun. I'm starting to do the other model now, but we're going to change a few things because the lights didn't mount very well, so we're going to put them on that multi-morph plastic, which starts to go soft about 60 degrees, so we need to be a bit careful with that. So I might have to try and see if we can add some more copper in there or something to allow the heat to be dissipated better than it is in this model, because it's going to be a lot tighter inside on the real one because there's so much more stuff going in it, so that's going to be a bit of a challenge. This day I was down here, it was actually 26 degrees, it was the ambient temperature, so see it's come up, it's 58 there now in the centre. The centre one's the hottest, as we said before, because it's sitting in that like well, isn't it? If you watch the other videos, you can see me building this one to this sort of point, and I will add more videos of doing the next one, and as I've said, is go through all the boards and how I made the boards and stuff like that, all the circuit boards that's in it. But yeah, that's it. Well, that's it for part 9, only a short one. Thanks very much for watching, and I shall catch you on the next ones when I get some more time and get on with it.